Hi YouTube friends, and welcome back to our channel. Today we're gonna do a 2-braid loop hairstyle with my baby girl's beautiful, gorgeous curly hair. She is out of the shower and I have towel dried her hair only. I washed it with shampoo and lots of conditioner. I am putting absolutely nothing in her hair. No products, no chemicals, nothing. I am going to leave her hair without anything for today. I'm combing out any little knots that she has, then I'm brushing it out just to make sure there's no knots. And when I do her hair part in 3 sections here for the braid, that is easy and it stays nice and smooth for the duration of the time. As you see at the beginning, I simply divided her hair in half to do 1 braid on each side. So as I finish up the first braid, I will then move to the other side to do the exact same thing. Comb and brush her hair to remove any little knots that are in there. And remember, I have not put any product, anything on her hair, not oil, not shea butter, nothing. She's going all natural today. And as you can see on this side, I have knots at the top, but I'll take care of those, no problem, no worries. Beautiful hair takes just a little bit longer to maintain and care for. We've got our routine pretty down, where my daughter reads a little book while I do this. And since I've started a routine, like I've mentioned in my previous videos, of washing her hair every other day, the tears are far less than before because her hair is maintained and constantly it has condition in her hair, so it leaves her tangles not as tangled as before. And tomorrow I will treat her hair with that beautiful, wonderful Indian oil that I love. And I'll make a video about it too, just to show you what her hair looks the day after I've done this style. Now at the bottom, I am going to connect both of these braids with 1 hair tie. So once you braid the hair all the way to the bottom, I apologize, I didn't realize that you couldn't see this in the video, but I put both braids together from the tip at the bottom, and then I tie them with 1 hair tie. See, this is what I did. So now I'm gonna bring up to the top of her head that hair tie, and with bobby pins, I'm gonna secure them to the top of her head. Depending on how long and thick your child's hair is, you will need accordingly those bobby pins. So for her, I use just a few to leave it at the top. To top off this hairstyle, I am going to put a beautiful African kunta scarf that my mother-in-law bought me from the East Coast and sent it to me. I ended up making 2 hair bows for my daughter, and they're gorgeous, and I'm gonna put that on the top of this hair tie to cover the bobby pins and a bit of the hair tie. So all you see is a bow and the 2 beautiful braid loops. These are gorgeous, you guys. Check it out. I love styling my daughter's hair, you guys. I have so much fun. And after I found a routine that works for us and products that work for us and her hair, it just became fun. My child is so beautiful, she's so gorgeous, and she's such a troop. She sits down patiently, reads her book. It's not always like that. We have a few hiccups, but today was a beautiful day. Her beautiful spirit and attitude, I thank God. Thank you for watching, YouTube friends. We really appreciate you and your support to our channel.